This 2019 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 315 TBH8 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 49 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.